Topic 1. Where are you from? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you Indian?
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
3 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too. What's your name?
My name is Sadia. What's yours?
Tanmoy.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure. It's 4:30 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Hi, Sadia.
Hi Tanmoy. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, Sadia. How are you?
Fine, how are you doing? What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to a Bengali restaurant.
What kind of Bengali food do you like?
I like biryani. Do you like biryani?
No, I don't, but I like pizza. David, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay, I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass, or a big one?
Small, please.
Wait a minute please.
Sure.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. L.
Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
All right. Bye.
Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes. That would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay, what time?
Is 9 p.m. alright?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Thai restaurant on 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Italian restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place. Hi Mark.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes. When?
Is 11:30 a.m. okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said, 11:30 a.m.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.?
Where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where's that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Hello, sir.
Welcome to the French Garden restaurant.
Thanks.
Sir, would you like to order now?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
I'll have a bottle of water, please.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a chicken sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.